Hello kids! Let's learn about some colors. Pink color, dark blue color, yellow color, light green color, red color, sky blue color, purple color, dark green color, brown color, black color, and violet color. Let's draw 2D shapes. Black color, circle, triangle, let's color these 2D shapes. Sky blue color, sky blue color, light green color, triangle, pink color, pink color, heptagon, yellow color, yellow color, pentagon, red color, square, dark blue color, dark blue color. Thanks for watching. Like the video, share the video and subscribe our channel.